We are John and Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thank you for joining us today.
Yes, we are camping in our backyard, and as you're well aware, the nation's in various levels of lockdown as a result of the coronavirus. Recreational camping is tenuous at best and really not recommended. So before we go any further, we would first like to extend our best wishes to those of you most negatively affected by the coronavirus. For those of you infected by the coronavirus, or those who may have lost a loved one due to that virus, and to those of you who may be economically devastated because of that virus, our hearts go out to you. And our special thanks go out to the frontline medical professionals who've been given an impossible mission. Our prayers are with you. So we're camping in our yard right now because it really is the most reasonable and sensible thing to do. For all intents and purposes, our state has been shut down to the option of recreational camping. So actually, camping in place is our only option.
Now, we know a lot of you are just anxious to get out and go camping. We totally understand because we feel the same way. And if you're not a big camper, maybe now is the time to try it in the safety of your backyard. So today we wanted to give you just some of the benefits of camping in place. And also, it's a great alternative to just binge watching Tiger King on Netflix. Oh, and check out the useful camping links in the description below. So one of the advantages of camping in place is it's a great time to get all of your gear ready and cleaned.
So if you're interested in learning to camp, camping in place in your yard is a perfect place to try. Because here you can learn to put up that new tent, or you can try out some new recipes. You know, learning to camp in your yard actually is a perfect plan. It lets you perfect everything about your camping before you ever take it to the mountains.
Another great benefit of camping in place is this is a wonderful time to try some new camping recipes. How about trying a new Dutch oven recipe? I've got a link right here of some great recipes that you may want to try. You know, worst case scenario, if you're trying a new recipe and it doesn't work out, you can always order takeout.
So if you choose to camp in place, by camping in your backyard, it gives you time to perfect your camping skills. You know, you could work on knots, like this alpine butterfly. If you've got the kind of yard where you can build a fire, you can practice your fire making skills. So you've got that nailed down by the time you get up to the campsite. You know, another thing that is really fun to do is work on your map and compass skills.
So while you're camping in place, now is a great time to pull out some of those backyard games, you know, like badminton or cornhole. My family's favorite would be a fun game of cards. Or what about a board game?
Camping in place allows us to help continue to create camping videos for you. At Let's Go Now Adventures, we create videos about camping skills, learning to camp. We do camping recipes. We also do camping gear reviews that might help you when you go to make a camping gear purchase. And we also will help you, our videos can help you plan your next camping adventure.
You know, and last but not least, I think it's so important to realize the wonderful emotional benefits that we can get by camping in place. You know, I don't know about you, but over the past month, I have been over the top stressed, and so just by being out in our backyard has made me feel so much better. You know, there's constant updates on the news and the TV, and I think just by stepping away, putting down our devices, getting outside, getting some fresh air, and then that allows us to actually reconnect with the people that we're quarantined with on a much deeper personal level. Bottom line, camping in your backyard is a great alternative, and it can be really, really fun. So if you do choose to camp in place, you know, whether it be because of the coronavirus, or maybe your truck is in the shop, or maybe just because it's easier, you know, like clean bathrooms and power, that's a plus. Whatever the reason, you can still have an awesome adventure in your backyard.
You know, restrictions on camping are changing daily. Here in Utah, where you can and can't camp has even changed since we started making this video. So no matter what you're faced with, good or bad, you have a choice on what you feel and how you choose to act. You know, adventure is not a place or an interesting or exciting event. Adventure is a state of mind.
So thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give us a big thumbs up, and we would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. Oh, and check out our new Facebook group. It's called Let's Go Now Adventures Campfire Connection. We would love for you to join. In fact, why don't you take some pictures of your camping in place experience and post them with the hashtag #CampInPlace on social media like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Stay safe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Goodbye.